welcome to Maui Karen Ann. Today we're doing something different. I'm doing another baking segment and I'm doing rum balls. Why I'm doing this is because Super Bowl is coming up, and you know how you always have all the appetizers and all the treats and everything? I always like dessert. I always like something sweet, but you've already eaten so much. You can't have a piece of cake. You don't want a bunch of cookies. So I serve these rum balls because they're like 2 bites. They're just sweet enough. Plus they have that kick of rum in them. So this is the recipe. It's really, really simple. About 6 ingredients. So here we go. So first of all, you have to have cups of crushed vanilla wafers. So we do those, and I just put them in the food processor. Then we need 3/4 a cup of powdered sugar, and we need rum, but I'm not going to do that one yet. We need 2 tablespoons of Hershey's cocoa, unprocessed. So 1, 2. Now I'm going to show you a trick, because we have to have 3 tablespoons of this clear Caro syrup. So what you do is you take your measurement, your tablespoon, and you spray a little Pam in it. And what that does is, when you pour your syrup in, whoops, it just pours right out. Look at that, just perfect. So that's 1, 2. Do I hear 3?
I didn't hear nothing.
You didn't hear anything?
No.
All right, 3. And that's it. There's cocoa, there's powdered sugar, rum, no, not yet, corn syrup, and your vanilla wafers. So it calls for 1/3 cup of rum. Now I don't know, will this be, if I do this twice, is that 1/3 cup or is it more?
A good experiment, find out.
Okay. Okay, so that, no, that's going to be too much. Oops. Okay, 1/3 cup of rum. Actually, you can put in any booze you want. You could even put in Bailey's Irish Cream. You can put in bourbon, whiskey, whatever.
But you'd have to change the name. It won't be rum balls.
True, true. But that makes it your individual. So I'm going to start to mix this up just a little bit, and then when it's about half mixed up, here's a cup of walnuts chopped I'm going to put in. You can put pecans. You can put no nuts if you have allergic reaction to nuts of any sort. So I'm going to start to mix now. I'll see you when it's all together.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's all mixed up. It takes 3 minutes maybe to mix it up. The nuts are in there, everything's there. Now, I wear gloves to do this because it's kind of sticky from the corn syrup. Okay, so even wearing gloves, it'll still stick to the gloves. So my other little secret that I do, I spray my left hand with Pam. So it's sticky. And then we're going to scoop them with this small cookie scoop or ice cream scoop, whatever. I spray it also with Pam. I rub my hands together so I've got it on both hands. Okay. Then what we do is we just scoop away, roll it. Now, you can roll them in powdered sugar, and you can roll them in cocoa, I like to do some of each. So if you have a sweet tooth, you take the powdered sugar one. And that's all there is to it. Now,
I got a sweet tooth.
okay, Cocktail Tony. So they're really good, but it's necessary, really, that you chill them because they taste better when they're a little chilled and that all the flavors has melted together. So that's my tip. I hope you try it. It's really, really easy. Remember to do the pan to see how easy that is, and it doesn't stick to me at all. What sticks is the cocoa and the powdered sugar. So there you go. I'm going to continue to do these. I hope you enjoyed this short little program, and take care of yourself. Be happy and have fun. Aloha.